to summer, for summer's nearly done. The garden smiling faintly, cool breezes in the sun. Our thrushes now are silent, our swallows flown away. But robin's here in coat of brown, with ruddy breast not gay. Robin, robin, redbreast, oh robin dear, robin singing sweetly in the falling of the year. Bright yellow, red and orange, the leaves come down in hosts. The trees are Indian princes, but soon they'll turn to ghosts. The scanty pears and apples hang russet on the bough. It's autumn, 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 late will soon be winter now. Robin, robin, redbreast, oh robin dear, and well away, my robin, for pinching times are near. The fireside for the cricket, the wheat stack for the mouse. When trembling night winds whistle and moan all round the house, the frosty ways like iron, the branches plumed with snow. Alas, in winter dead and dark, where can poor robin go? Robin, robin, redbreast, oh robin dear, and a crumb of bread for robin, his little heart to cheer. The fireside for the cricket, the wheat stack for the mouse. When trembling night winds whistle and moan all round the house, the frosty ways like iron, the branches plumed with snow. Alas, in winter dead and dark, where can poor robin go? Robin, robin, redbreast, oh robin dear, and a crumb of bread for robin, his little heart to cheer.